how to unmod yourself on Twitch. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to sign into our Twitch account, and in the upper right hand side, let's click on our profile icon and simply go to creator dashboard. Once you're routed to this page, let's go to the left hand side, which is the creator dashboard, and let's go and pick community. Let's choose roles manager. So in this section, we can add a role. And by then, we can actually search people who we would like to become moderators. So for example, right, let's have Moonstar and let's add him or her as a moderator. Okay, so there, if you want to add her or him as a moderator, click on save. But if you want to unmod this person, then simply click on this circle with a dash in between, and there you have it. You have unmod the person. So basically, you cannot unmod yourself or you cannot make yourself as moderator. So that's about it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so